Okay, so the first thing you need to do is open iMovie, like I said before. Once you're there, you'll need to create a new video. Also, don't mind this, like it says. And then click Movie. You'll see a spot in here on the side. It says Media. In video, there will be one called Slow-Mo. That's where all your slow motion videos will be stored. I'm going to select one I purposely made for the sound. Once you have your slow motion videos selected, click Create Movie. Then you'll have it in here. This is the tutorial that I see most of the time, and they don't seem to notice the sound difference. To show you the sound difference, I'll show you what it actually is supposed to sound like. So that's what it's supposed to sound like. And here's what it sounds like with iMovie. Oh my gosh, that's awful. I hate it, I hate it, I hate it. So, it was hard to find, but it's actually a really simple fix. All you need to do is click on this button near the top and switch Speed Changes Pitch to On. Now that your video and sound has been fixed, you can either name it or just leave it until you transfer it to your computer and then name it on there. Then you can just save the video and it'll export it into your photo gallery. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Love forever. Bye.